Hi, I'm Dyotana Banerjee, and I teach in the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, IIT Gandhinagar. To all the women I teach, learn from, and work with every day at IIT, I wish you a very happy International Women's Day. More power to you. Let us remember this day's history that is rooted in working women's struggle for better working conditions and political and economic rights. Today, let us hold each other's hands more, build solidarities, build collectives, and be there especially for those women who come from the socio-economic margins and have to struggle more to achieve their dreams. To all the women I teach, work with, and learn from every day at IIT Gandhinagar, I want to see you more, and I want to celebrate your success more and more in all the leadership positions, in classrooms, senates, councils, in all the platforms that give you more voices and make you more visible. Thank you, and all the best for your journeys ahead.